In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a website using AI. You don't have to write any code. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to download a code editor that we shall use to get the code from AI, then arrange it to create a website. In this video, I will be using Visual Studio Code, which is short for VS Code. You can just go to Google and then search VS Code. It looks like this. Install it, and once it is installed, now come to your file explorer and open create a new folder. So I'm going here, I'm going to create a folder and name it AI. So once the folder is ready, open it and right click inside this folder, then go to show more options and then open with code, and that will open my folder in VS Code. Alternatively, in VS Code, I can just come to file, then open folder here, then I navigate to the folder that I just created, AI, select folder. Now the folder is open in Visual Studio Code. Zoom in a little bit. Okay, so the folder is here, and as you can see right now, it is empty. To create a file in this folder, we shall just click on this new file icon. So let me just use any of the chatbots you have. I'm going to use ChatGPT to create the website. So I'll load ChatGPT here, then ask it to create for me any kind of website. So let's try a food website. So I'm going to tell it create a food website using simple, basic. I don't want it to use like a module like Node.js, so I want it to use plain CSS, JS, and HTML. And make sure it has enough content and looks good. Let's see what the ChatGPT will give us. So right now we see it has generated the code. And meanwhile, what we are going to do is let's prepare our code space by adding this file. So you look at the project structure, and these are the files and folders that we have to create. So first we are going to create the index.html file. I'll just copy the file name, speed up the process, copy the in my folder, click on the plus, then paste the name, press enter, and the file is then the file is open. So click on the plus once again, then back to ChatGPT. We now need another code menu.html, copy it, and then create the file. So I'm going to divide my screen for now, as it doesn't become too stressful. So yeah, like this. I copy the other one, recipe.html, copy and add it there. Contact.html, copy and add it here. Style.css, copy, add it there. Then script.js that will contain the JavaScript for the website. It's here. add it. Then the images folder, so we have to create a folder named images. For the folder, use this for create new folder icon. Then that's the name of the folder, which is images. We might have to actually add some images of our own, but I will also show you how. So now let's copy the index.html code, then come to index.html and paste the code. Then scroll down, copy the menu.html, paste it inside of menu.html file. Then go to recipe, copy, then paste it inside recipe.html. Go to contact.html, copy the code and paste it in contact.html. Go to style.css and copy the code, open the style.css file, paste the code. Then yeah, that is it. Now let's see, in style.css I see there is some error. Let me first minimize this, maximize this and try to fix it. Okay, it's just because the closing curly brace, maybe I didn't copy that well, but you can just put it like that and everything should be fine. Now I'm going to click inside of index.html. Then on the bottom of my VS Code here, there is a button that says go live, which runs live server. If you want to install live server inside of your VS Code, come to the extensions here and search live server. Then click on that first one and install it. Then you will see also that go live button. If you don't have it, or if you don't want to use it that way, come back to the folder that you created and then double click on index.html and your default browser will open it for you. As you can see, it has opened it, but it's just not looking the way we want it to look. So I'm going to open live server, click on go live. Okay, it is looking like this, but the CSS is not applied. Okay, let's see menu. The menu looks like that, recipes, contact. Okay, probably the CSS is not okay. Let's try to look into the code and see what could be wrong. Here's the style.css. Then here's the index. Probably it links well to the style.css. Since that's the case, I'm just going to talk to ChatGPT. Delete. It doesn't look good. So it has given me other code, and I'm just going to replace the one that is here with this one and see. So then index, that's the new code. Let's see in our browser what it is looking like. Now it is like this. So we have to add the new CSS. Now you see a good looking website. We just have to add images here. So let's maximize our website. You see now it looks good. Explore our menu takes you to the menu. Yeah, so the recipes, also you see the recipes and the contact looks a little bit better. You can just keep on talking to ChatGPT to get better looking website. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to go to free pick and get some images to use for pasta, salad and burger. Now let's go to freepik.com, where you can get some free images to use for our website. Now we're going to first search for salad. So search salad. Let me first clear my downloads folder. Okay, I'm going to open a new window. Then go to my downloads folder. I'm going to clear everything in here so that I have no files to be lost inside of. So now let me go to the freepik, search for salad. Then I open this first image and click on download, then free download. Once that is downloaded, I'm going to search for burger. You can use freepik to get any kind of image that is here listed for free. For example, this one, and download, free download. Then the other thing on our site is pasta, so I'll search for pasta. Download this one. These that are AI generated, sometimes they are not free, but let's see if we can get this one for free. Download, free download. Yeah, we can get it. So the images are now downloaded. I'll open my downloads folder now. What I will do is I will rename them so that they are easily renamed. They are easy to link to in our code. So I'll open our code, the index.html, then I will look for the names that are being used here. So you see we are using pasta.jpg, salad.jpg, and burger.jpg down here. So inside our images folder, we have to put those images that are only having those names. So let's go to the downloads. Then I will rename these ones. So this is pasta. Select the file and press F2. Then take the name that you want to give it, press enter. So this is the burger. F2, burger. Make sure they are all in JPG format. Then the salad, click it, F2, salad, enter. So select all these three images by clicking on the first one, then holding down shift and clicking on the last one. Then you can cut or move them to the other folder that we created, AI, then images, and then paste. Once they are here, you can also see them in our VS Code. By the way, you can also click on the images here, and then the paste icon will be on, and then you paste. So now let's see what's happening with our website. See, it looks good now. So our food website is ready. Yeah, so that's how you can create our website easily using AI. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe.